Learn English to Gujarati Tech Vocabulary, Technology 2.
Network.
Welcome to Tech Gujarati. Hey, you are about to learn useful tech words in Gujarati without sounding like a confused toaster. Relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy the ride. Today your mission is simple. Learn 8 practical words you can use in modern life. You will hear technology as
Technology.
digitalization as
Digitalization.
internet as
Internet.
data protection as
Data गोपनीयता.
security as
सुरक्षा.
software as
Software.
hardware as
Hardware.
and network as.
Network.
If one word feels long, that is fine. Some words are like modern gadgets, slightly intimidating, but fun once you press the right button. Your tech crew. Let's meet the whole vocabulary team like they are characters in a comedy show. Say each one out loud after me. Technology is.
Technology.
Think of phones, apps, robots, and that one smart fridge that knows too much. Digitalization is.
Digitalization.
It is the process of turning paper, systems, and services into digital form. Internet is.
Internet.
The magical place where you learn languages and somehow also end up watching cooking videos at midnight. Data protection is.
Data गोपनीयता.
This is about keeping personal information safe and private. Security is.
सुरक्षा.
A useful word for both digital life and real life. Software is.
Software.
That is the program part, the invisible brain. Hardware is.
Hardware.
That is the physical part you can touch, like a keyboard or screen. Network is.
Network.
That is the system of connections between devices. A silly office story. Now let's put the words into a funny little story. Listen for the Gujarati words and picture the scene. On your first day at a modern office, the manager proudly says, "We love
Technology.
Then she points to a mountain of old paper and whispers dramatically, "But now we need."
Digitalization.
Single quote. You sit down at a desk, open a laptop, and ask, "Is the
Internet
working?" Everyone goes silent, as if you asked the meaning of life. Then the IT person runs in wearing superhero socks and says, "The
network
is awake again." The boss smiles and says, "Excellent. Now install the new
software.
Check the
Hardware.
and please remember
Data गोपनीयता.
and
सुरक्षा.
Single quote. You nod confidently, even though 5 minutes earlier you were still looking for the coffee machine. Useful example lines. You learn faster when words live inside real sentences. Let's practice short, practical lines. Technology changes the way we live. In Gujarati, you can say,
Technology. આપણે જીવવાની રીત બદલે છે.
Digitalization makes services faster. In Gujarati,
Digitalization. સેવાઓને વધુ ઝડપી બનાવે છે.
I use the internet every day. In Gujarati,
હું દરરોજ ઇન્ટરનેટનો ઉપયોગ કરું છું.
good data protection builds trust. In Gujarati,
સારી ડેટા ગોપનીયતા વિશ્વાસ બનાવે છે.
good passwords improve security. In Gujarati,
સારા પાસવર્ડ સુરક્ષા વધારે છે.
this software saves time. In Gujarati,
આ સોફ્ટવેર સમય બચાવે છે.
hardware includes the keyboard, screen, and mouse. In Gujarati,
હાર્ડવેરમાં કીબોર્ડ, સ્ક્રીન અને માઉસ આવે છે.
a strong network helps people share information. In Gujarati,
મજબૂત નેટવર્ક લોકોને માહિતી વહેંચવામાં મદદ કરે છે.
mini dialogue. Here comes a short dialogue. Imagine two coworkers trying to solve a tech problem without blaming the printer for everything. A. What drives innovation? B.
Technology.
A. What is improving the office? B.
डिजिटलीकरण.
A. Is the Wi-Fi working? B. Yes, the
इंटरनेट.
is working. A. Why is this app trustworthy? B. It has strong.
डेटा गोपनीयता.
A. What do we need here? B. Better.
सुरक्षा.
A. Is this the program part? B. Yes, that is.
सॉफ्टवेयर.
A. And the keyboard, screen, and mouse? B. That is.
हार्डवेयर.
A. So what connects all the devices? B. The
नेटवर्क.
memory tricks. Let's make these words stick in your brain in a fun way. Weird images help, and honestly your brain loves weird. 4.
टेक्नोलॉजी.
Imagine a giant phone taller than a building shouting, I am technology. 4.
डिजिटलीकरण.
Picture paper files turning into glowing tablets. It is the bridge from paper to pixels. 4.
इंटरनेट.
Imagine a glowing globe wrapped in cables. 4.
डेटा गोपनीयता.
See a locked laptop behind a shining shield. 4.
सुरक्षा.
Imagine a huge protective shield around your phone and house. 4.
सॉफ्टवेयर.
Think of the invisible brain inside a computer. 4.
हार्डवेयर.
Picture the solid skeleton of the machine. 4.
नेटवर्क.
Imagine blue lines connecting phones, laptops, and routers like a spider web of information. Quick quiz challenge. Time for a fast quiz. Answer before I do, and if you get one wrong, no worries, your future genius status is still safe. What is the Gujarati word for technology?
टेक्नोलॉजी.
What is the Gujarati word for digitalization?
डिजिटलीकरण.
What is the Gujarati word for internet?
इंटरनेट.
How do you say data protection?
डेटा गोपनीयता.
How do you say security?
सुरक्षा.
How do you say software?
सॉफ्टवेयर.
How do you say hardware?
हार्डवेयर.
How do you say network?
नेटवर्क.
Final boost. You did it. Now let's close with one strong review so the words stay with you. Today you practiced technology,
टेक्नोलॉजी.
digitalization,
डिजिटलीकरण.
internet,
इंटरनेट.
data protection,
डेटा गोपनीयता.
security,
सुरक्षा.
software,
सॉफ्टवेयर.
hardware,
हार्डवेयर.
and network.
नेटवर्क.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back tomorrow so your Gujarati gets stronger one smart word at a time.